Celeste Albanese is set to go down against Gabriela Fundora. Man, undisputed female flyweight title of the world. Albanese is slick and quick, but Fundora is undefeated. An undefeated boxer for a reason, 5'3". This trick was better than Marwan Esparza in the rematch. Won a very close split decision. She's got some stoppages in her life, for example, against Deborah Regifo, Tamara DeMarco, Yana Zuniga, Daniela Molina. Yes, she's got slick hands, but Fundora is just too much. This sweet poison is 5'9", 69 inches of reach. At the age of 22, this chick is demolishing. She was better than Areli Musino, Cristina Cruz, Daniela Semjo, Maria Santizo, and she's also got big right hand. This is going to be a slugfest, but I expect these chicks are very hard to go down, and both of them are having very good chins, so I have a feeling this could go all the way. I'm gonna say over 8.5, but I say Fundora to win. I think Fundora as a side call is a good prediction.